Get it, Popeye. Bring it back. Good boy.
I love this stuff.
Good boy. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye. That's Amelia in the stroller. We're just hanging out, having a good time at the airfield today. We're the TheRcSaylors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we're going to take a look at a common drone. When I say common drone, I mean it's commonly found. You can buy this in Walmart, you can buy it on Amazon, overseas Chinese companies. I think you can buy it directly from their website. We have seen Sky Viper drones for a long time now. We've actually had Sky Viper drones on our channel that we've bought ourselves from Walmart. Amelia's waking up. She's excited to see this fly. What we're going to do in this video is take a closer look at this drone, then we're going to fly it for you and let you know if it's worth your hard-earned money. Now in the past, I have said that Sky Viper drones are a little overpriced, and you can buy pretty much the same drone for about half the price on like a Chinese website. But in this case, this one looks like it packs a lot of punch for your money. It comes in at $55, and we'll have it linked in the description box below. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, one thing that I've always really disliked about Sky Viper drones is their packaging, because once you unbox this, it's not a case anymore. Most of the cheap drones that we do on our channel at least have a box that is worth keeping to keep all your stuff in. This one you just have to throw away. That's not a deal breaker, but I like my boxes, and a lot of you guys watching do too. Here is the drone itself. It looks pretty good. And the transmitter looks nice, clean, simple. It very much resembles an Xbox or a PlayStation controller, so it should be easy to use for everyone. We have video, stunt, launch, land, normal, sport. Everything is labeled, and I really, really like that. So I commend them for having a nice, legible transmitter. Now the interesting thing about this drone is that if you look on the box, it says it has surface scan, optical ground tracking, and position hold. Really all that means is it has a built-in downward facing camera right here in this little hole in the back of the drone, and it uses visual positioning hold. This kind of functions as a GPS in a realistic sense that it will hold it in a position even in some wind. Now, it's not going to perform as good as a GPS will, and it can't return to home, but if you take your hands completely off the controls, it really should just hover in place, and we're going to test that today. Here is the phone mounting system. Kind of interesting. This is just a Samsung Galaxy Note in a case, and it seems to hold okay. So that's not bad. It comes with 4 spare props, that's really nice. Prop guards in the box here that I'm going to opt out of. It does have spare screws in here that hold the props on, a little tiny baby Phillips screwdriver, and our battery. This is a single cell, 3.7 volt, 650 milliamp LiPo battery with a JST plug, and the charger has USB to JST as well. I'm excited. Well, I should mention there is the instructions here, and you just have to download the Sky Viper app. I'm excited because it's been a while since we've done anything Sky Viper. They used to be overpriced. I think this is a very fair price. It's good to see something that is fairly modern in the toy grade world with visual position hold. We have a Wi-Fi FPV feed. It has altitude hold, and it is about $55. So very exciting to see them finally competitively priced. So let's put it in the air and see how it performs. Let's take off. Popeye's ready. I hit launch, and it's up. Okay. Now, you guys hear a very faint beep after Popeye stops barking. We'll let him get worn out for a second. Just let the doggy have some fun, and then we'll talk about the drone. I just had ice cream from Dairy Queen, so this whole video we're gonna be like, we're gonna sound like we're about 110 years old.
Does anybody else do that? We never can eat ice cream without.
Oh my gosh! Whoops! I hit a button. I hit video. Oh, okay. Actually, that's a good thing. So I'm gonna hit video again. It's still beeping.
Did you turn my video off?
Here, I hit video.
Whoa.
So when this is flying, listen to the faint beep. It'll beep here in a second. It will. It stopped. It was beeping. It was a really annoying beep, but it has stopped now.
I'm
well,
so
that's good.
Confused as to what's going on.
So the drone is really quiet. Listen. It's actually really quiet. And I'm completely hands-free right now.
What is going on? I can't even, your thumbs are blocking it. Good job, you did it.
Showing that I was hands-free. We have a slight breeze. It's doing all of this. I'm totally hands-free now, and it's fighting the wind pretty well. Popeye really likes this one. The altitude hold is great. The visual position hold, not so great. Let's fly up a little higher. So it's doing okay. This really reminds me a lot of the Dramata Ominous and even the, I'm not allowed to say their name. It reminds me of it though, but they don't want me to say their name, so I won't. Okay, the video feed looks pretty good. And the interesting thing about this, there's even a little bit of telemetry on here telling me I've got 55% battery life left. And let's see here. The interesting thing about this is that it has 1 year of replacement parts for free, 100% free. We're looking for Popeye. He has gone around the building. Now, they say, there, he's coming back. It's through normal use, and it can't be of any like major crash fault, I think, but they say that there's free props, free motors, free prop guards, even free batteries if there's an issue with yours, as long as you pay the shipping. So that's a really interesting thing that not very many toy grade drone companies do. This whole time that it's been hovering here, by the way, I haven't touched the controls at all. That is 100% the drone. The visual position hold is doing really well. We have a slight 1 to 2 mile an hour breeze coming in from right to left. Abby's moving the controls around. What, do you not believe me?
No, it's filming us.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Oops, and I lost you on my camera.
It's doing a really good job. I really like that a lot. Now, something else that's pretty cool about this, you can put a micro SD card in the back of the drone if you want to and save directly to that card, or you can do something that is very unique to this drone. Very, very few drones do this. It saves within the app, but then you can export the video from the app to your phone in 720p and not lose any quality. Okay, we have a stunt button, so let's press that. I hit the button and it just went kind of crazy. That was actually a really bad flip. It lost a lot of altitude. Let's hit it one more time. Sad. It just wants to go that one
like
way.
Mopey. It's like
yeah.
a mopey flip. Like, I guess
I'll do it. Okay, and then there's also sport mode. So I'm gonna hit that. Oh my gosh, it is wobbling like crazy. Okay, I hit sport mode and we can fly a lot faster, but it loses the altitude really quickly when we do that. Yeah, that's wild that it lets it go that fast. I'm gonna give it full throttle and full forward. Okay, now we're getting a little better. So as long as you keep throttle up, you can really zip around. There we go, look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh my
that will go really fast. Warning, battery level extremely low, find safe place to land. So that was not even quite a 5-minute flight, I don't think. I'm gonna hit video so it saves. And we'll go back into normal mode and land this
beeping again.
Yeah.
Did it stop recording on the phone?
I think it's auto landing here. I stopped recording. Very short flight time. Very, very short flight time. We're on the ground and
where's Popeye?
Motors stopped.
He's distracted. Popeye, get the drone.
Go get it, buddy. Go get the drone.
He's like,
good boy. Good boy. Get it, Popeye. Bring it back. Good boy.
I love this dog.
Good boy. Good job, Popeye. Good boy. Popeye, bring it back. Bring it over. Good boy.
I love this dog.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Best part about this drone is Popeye's ability to bring it back. Good job, buddy. This can be your drone now, okay? Yeah.
He's like, I don't think I want it.
He just wants to play. I honestly think that if a kid got this for Christmas, you know, you're out shopping in Walmart, and maybe Jimmy, you opened this on Christmas Day and you're watching our video now to know if you got a good drone. You did.
Good job, Jimmy.
Drone. Yeah, good job, Jimmy, for looking it up to see if you did your research at least. And this is a good drone. The biggest downside is the fact that it has a very short flight time. It flew really well. It had some fun different functions. You've got a low rate and a high rate, so you can advance a little bit. The flip kind of was awful. I mean, it's probably one of the worst auto flips we've ever seen. But it was easy to fly. It has video, it has replacement parts for a year at $55. We never see any other company doing that. You do have to pay for shipping according to that process. I haven't gone through that process myself, and I probably won't fly this enough to actually go through that whole deal. So really, I won't be able to tell you how easy that is, but they offer it, and it's right on the drone's box. This is a drone that you can find in Walmart, probably Kohl's. You can buy it on Amazon. You're gonna see Sky Viper stuff all the time. And I commend them for being in the industry for this long. It's not an easy industry to be in unless you're a big giant company like DJI or something. And so to see Sky Viper drones that have been in Walmart and all these other places for so long is actually, it's really cool. You know, we're not seeing a bunch of different brands of things in those retail stores. They've established themselves and they're keeping up. They're putting out at least halfway decent products. If this were $100, I'd say no way would I recommend this, but at $55, I think it's very fairly priced, and I do think that because it's a common battery connector, you don't even have to buy their batteries. You can just buy let me show you too. There's a battery hatch back here. There's a little play in it, so you could probably go up to like an 800 milliamp little LiPo, extend your flight time. There's a little extra room in there, and that just closes. So it's not even a proprietary casing. You just plug the JST wire into the back of the drone. And I think that's great because you can just buy some cheap $3 batteries and really extend your flight time if you buy in bulk. I mean, usually if you find 5 or 6 batteries in bulk, sometimes you can find them for $3 or $4 each. So I think that's pretty cool. You can adjust the camera angle on here. It's really not that bad, except for that really short flight time. We'll have it linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!